Most of us use Excel every single day to save time and money. But did you know that before Microsoft was the king of spreadsheets, they actually failed? In 1982, Microsoft was losing a brutal business war against a giant called Lotus 123, and their first attempt to fight back was a total flop. From a failed program called Multiplan to the AI powered beast we use today, the Excel evolution isn't just about cells and formulas. It's about one of the biggest upsets in tech history. Let's dive into the 40-year history of Microsoft Excel. Hey everyone! If you've seen my recent videos on how to stop paying for invoice software or how to auto-translate your sheets for free, you know I'm all about using Excel to save hours of work. But to truly master the tool, you have to understand the Microsoft Excel history. Today, we're tracking the journey from its secret Mac beginnings to the era of Python and AI. If you want to keep leveling up and learn how to use these new AI features to save hours of work, hit that subscribe button. In 1982, Microsoft released Multiplan. It was supposed to be the VisiCalc killer, but it was clunky and Lotus 123 absolutely destroyed it. Microsoft realized they couldn't just copy the competition, they had to leapfrog them. Here's the part that surprises most people. Excel didn't start on Windows. It launched in 1985 exclusively for the Apple Macintosh. Why? Because the Mac had a graphical user interface. While Lotus users were still typing commands into a dark screen, Excel users were clicking buttons and seeing bold fonts in real time. This was the first major turning point in the Excel evolution. By 1987, Microsoft finally brought Excel to Windows, and it was game over for Lotus. But the real superpower arrived in 1993 with Excel 5.0. This introduced VBA, Visual Basic for Applications. Suddenly, Excel wasn't just a calculator, it was a programming platform. This is where those money-saving tips I talk about started. If you can automate a task with a macro, you've built your own custom software. This is why Excel became the universal language for every professional from 25 to 44. It wasn't just data entry, it was power. Through the late 90s, Excel added pivot tables. But the biggest shock came in 2007. Microsoft ditched the menus for the ribbon and changed the file format to .xlsx. A lot of people hated it. It was a huge learning curve. But it allowed Excel to handle over 1 million rows of data. It turned Excel from a simple ledger into a massive data processing engine that could compete with professional databases. Quick question. What was the first version of Excel you ever used? Or are you part of the Gen Z crowd that started with Google Sheets and had to switch to Excel for work? Let me know in the comments. Now we are in the most exciting phase of history of Microsoft Excel. It's no longer just a desktop app, it's a living cloud document. Two massive shifts just happened. First, Python in Excel. You can run actual data science code directly inside a cell. Second, Microsoft 365 Copilot. We've gone from manually typing some formulas to asking the AI, find the trends and build me a chart. It's no longer about memorizing formulas. It's about knowing how to ask the right questions to save your time. From a failed 1982 experiment to an AI powered assistant, Excel survived because it's the most flexible tool ever created. Whether you're a student or a CFO, Excel is how business gets done. If you want to keep leveling up and learn how to use these new AI features to save hours of work, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like if you enjoyed this Excel history lesson. Check out this next video on how to automate your boring task for free. I'll see you there.